How did Azerbaijan achieve a stunning victory over Armenia in just 44 days during the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict of 2020? Let's explore the critical elements that shaped this modern battlefield. The Nagorno-Karabakh War of 2020 was an armed conflict over the disputed region of Nagorno-Karabakh, which had been under Armenian control since a previous war in the Nagorno-Karabakh, which had been under Armenian control since a previous war in the 90s. Escalation began on September 27, 2020. Azerbaijan's victory was partly due to its use of advanced technology like drones and precision-guided missiles. These weapons allowed Azerbaijan to outmaneuver Armenian forces, leading to a significant shift in the conflict. The use of drones and artillery showcased new tactics in modern warfare. For instance, Azerbaijani forces used Israeli-made loitering munitions to destroy key Armenian positions, demonstrating the importance of air power. Casualties on both sides were high. More than 7,000 soldiers and civilians lost their lives during this intense conflict. The battle saw a combination of traditional infantry tactics alongside cutting-edge technology. The lessons from the Nagorno-Karabakh War highlight the necessity for an integrated air defense system to counter drone attacks. This conflict serves as a critical case study for future military engagements. In just 44 days, Azerbaijan shifted the territorial control over Nagorno-Karabakh. This strategic victory is a testament to modern warfare's evolving dynamics and the decisive impact of technological superiority. The Nagorno-Karabakh War offers critical insights into how technology can reshape military strategies. What other recent conflicts have shown similar trends? Share your thoughts in the comments.